Business owners accused of using their massage parlors as a front for human trafficking, and they're fighting for their assets in court.
In April, Attorney General Steve Marshall filed a temporary restraining order to shut down those locations in Huntsville and Decatur and seize all of their money and property. Because of a law that was passed in 2018, the Attorney General was able to do all of that without filing any criminal charges.
WHNT News 19's Kelly Smith explains why human trafficking victim advocates are hopeful this legal process could be used as a way to prevent traffickers from even coming to the state.
This is HB 305. It was signed into law in 2018, and human trafficking victim advocates say it's a tool to send a message to traffickers. David Pinkleton works for End It, the Alabama Human Trafficking Task Force.
When it comes to a human trafficking crime, the victims are always our focus. We want to make sure that, their health, their safety, and their welfare is taken care of.
He says HB 305 could help make sure of that. The human trafficking law says if the Attorney General has any reason to believe that any person, corporation, or any other legal entity is engaging in or is about to engage in any act or practice declared to be unlawful by this article, the Attorney General may bring action, which includes restraint by temporary restraining order or permanent injunction. The law allows the Attorney General to also bring civil action on behalf of the state to recover damages for victims.
I think it's also an opportunity just to, again, let the traffickers know Alabama is not open for business, and if you're engaging in human trafficking of any form, we are going to come after you and we'll be willing to basically seize your assets and do whatever it takes.
Pinkleton also says when it comes to getting restitution in a case, sometimes the civil route is a better way to go.
There are typically a lower burden of proof when it comes to a civil action versus a criminal action matter.
The Attorney General invoked HB 305 and was able to shut down Ty Green Massage Therapy Inc.'s locations in Huntsville and Decatur. That restraining order was set to expire this week, but it was extended and now expires at 5 o'clock on Friday. In Madison County, Kelly Smith, WHNT News 19.
Now, the owners of Ty Green's Massage Therapy Inc. have not been charged with a crime. At this time, they are only facing civil action.